You have a bronze medal?
Yeah, the collection is getting bigger, you know. The gold one, now bronze, and for us any medal is reward, and this is what we was fighting today.
What's it mean for you guys? Obviously, you had the tough loss in the semis, and to come back and get this big game.
You know, it's very tough. Tournament is different than regular season playoff games when you have the chance after bad game, play and prove you are good. Like we are play 9 good game and only 1 bad game we play against France and kick us out from the fighting for the gold medal. But you know, team recover because after the game against France, we was talking in the locker room and leaders say to the team, we are not done yet. We feel like we're missing something. So today was a big game for us, same as for the Macedonian team. They never give up. This why was the so tough and close game.
Talk about them and talk about that last play where they missed the layup and how you sort of saw that.
You know, it's pretty hard to say what's going to happen in the end. It's always you know, last chance, last moment, and I think to come back to the game after we get the lead in the third quarter, 10 points, they have a couple of lucky moments. So if they will make the last one, you're gonna say it's our day, but it's not happen. And I think team play pretty hard, and it's very rarely where the both team deserve the win. It's in the soccer you can give 2 bronze medals to the 2 teams, but basketball is different, and I think 2 teams was deserve the win today, and a good medal is for us. But I want to say thank you for the Macedonian players. They was fighting until the end.
Okay.